So I wanted to talk about the 6 reasons or causes of cold feet. This is an updated video. I did one before on the 5 causes. There's some more information I want to talk about. There's actually probably 7 causes. One would be you're about to get married and you have cold feet. That was a joke. But let's start with number 1. Low adrenal hormones, okay? There's a condition called Addison's disease where you're basically running out of adrenal hormones and you have extremely low sodium. You have to constantly consume salt because a big part of the adrenal function is to regulate minerals, including salt. And that would be right here, number 4. You can actually have cold feet if you have low sodium, okay? And this can occur if you're on the ketogenic diet, simply because when you go keto, low carb, you lose a lot of fluid, excess fluid. And with the fluid, you lose salt and other electrolytes. Also, you're giving up a lot of junk foods, processed foods that have a lot of sodium hidden, even bread, for example. And so when you're on keto, you do want to increase the salt, the sea salt in your diet. And people that go on keto, sometimes they'll notice, especially in the beginning, that their feet are cold unless they consume more sea salt. Number 1 is low adrenal hormones or adrenal fatigue. And also, this could cause low blood pressure, which could be another reason why you're cold as well. Number 2, hypothyroidism. This is the kind of the classic reason why people are cold. You need more iodine and selenium. Selenium is needed for the conversion of hormones, like the inactive to the active form of thyroid hormone. And iodine is needed just to make the thyroid hormone in the first place. So these 2 minerals are very important. And if you're deficient in these minerals, potentially you can actually develop hypothyroidism. Now, a version of hypothyroidism called Hashimoto's responds pretty well to selenium. Selenium also is very beneficial to the immune system. I'm going to do a separate video just on selenium. Okay, number 3, diabetic. Especially when you get neuropathies, like you get nerve damage in the lower extremity or even in the hands, you start losing circulation in your feet and your fingers. Don't just get cold, they can actually become numb and they can have tingling, and it's called peripheral neuropathy. Number 4, I talked about that. You need more salt because a low sodium diet can cause you to be cold, especially in the feet. And number 5 is low zinc, okay? And number 6 is low iron, as in anemia. That can also cause you to be cold. Now, the question is, which one relates to you? You want to look at some of the other symptoms that you have to see which one aligns. I put a bunch of videos down below, for example, the symptoms of low zinc or the symptoms of low iron, symptoms of low sodium, so you can kind of differentiate and figure this out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. So if you want to get notified with all my content, click the notification bell next to subscribed.